we are back in the cold, old, lovely woodworking workshop. I think we're calling this Woodworking Wednesday. And seeing as I didn't lose any fingers the first time, even though that was a very trying project, we're going to give another one a go. So my thought is, over the last few Christmases, I've seen a vast increase in gonks being used or chosen as Christmas decor. And so today, we're going to make one of these. So this is one I made earlier. This one's got a walnut hat. So it's a nice little statement piece, a lovely grey beard. And yeah, I was quite pleased with that one. So today we're going to do that. So for this, we are bringing back bosom cam. Here's my harness, and hopefully you'll get to see what's going on. But yeah, so for this we'll need a nose, a pom-pom, a hat, a beard, obviously, and a body. So yeah, we better get cracking. I'm thinking because it's Christmas, we'll see if we can make this one extra Christmassy. We'll try. But yeah, come along. And yeah, I'm going to strap you to my bosom now. And we'll go from there, really. So yeah, the first thing we need to do is make a body. Because if we've got nothing to stick it onto, or nothing for it to stand up on, then it's just a hat. So yeah, come and join me. I did forget to say, it's Christmas! So that's that done. So first bit of wood, believe it or not, this was our old banister. So yeah, we take wood scraps where we can. We should be able to get possibly the head, nose and pom-pom out of this piece of wood. So let's prioritise the head, because we've got loads of other scraps that we can use for the pom-poms and stuff, but I think the head, we'll give that a go first and then see where we go. I've sharpened my chisels after I said last time, so yeah, okie dokie. Eye protection on, and off we go. Oh, turn it on at the plug, that would help. Actually, let's mark off where we want the head. As with the previous video, I'm listening to music, so hopefully Darren will edit out all my lovely singing, and it's not Christmassy, so it's not relevant. So yeah, let's see how head that size goes, and we'll see where we are from there. I don't want the bottom to be completely round, because otherwise you won't sit down on anything. I think we can potentially start to sound that, because what we're going to do is, as we part this off, we're going to make a peg, because when we make the hat, I think I've got a failed one somewhere. My little, there we go. So when we make a hat, we drill a hole in here, and it connects into the hat. Look at that! Beautiful! We don't need to worry about the bottom too much because that's what it's going to sit on. So we're going to put some sanding sealer on. Because it's not being shown, we don't need to finish it per se, so I'm not going to put any finishing wax or anything on it. Not in the next slide. There we go, right. Make a notice. Looks almost like a Lego man head. There we go. That looks a bit better. Ooh. So there we go. That's our head. Right, got another piece of wood. What we'll do, we'll even this up, turn it round, and then we can shape the nose and the pom-pom. Not quite there. There you go. Beautiful. So the pom-pom and the nose, they'll have little peg ends on like the head. So to be fair, we could probably so it's literally 2 of these. So what I'm going to do, let's sand him up. We'll do sealing and finishing, and then you don't need to watch me make another one. So what I'll do is I'll put the battery on charge while I make the second one, and then you can join me for the hat. Right. Welcome back, team. So we've got a head, my little peg, a pom-pom or a nose, and a pom-pom or a nose. So yeah, that's finished and turned. So next we're on to the hat. So if I show you, for example, my broken one, so we're looking for like a bit of a wizard's hat, and I think given that it's Christmas, we need to go festive. We need to go out there. So let me just reach into my... Oh, I'm getting attacked by many pieces of wood up here. So, oh, what's that? Oh, that's ash as well. So, put these all back in. I've got no space for any of this. So, that means I must make some more exciting things. So this is something called puddock, and it's a nice red wood, and obviously Father Christmas has a nice red hat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off a portion, and then we'll pop it on the chuck and see if we can fashion a hat. So, how tall are we going to have this hat? See, I think it needs to come a little bit longer because it is Santa. Let's aim for there. Right, what I think we'll do is, before we finish anything else here, because obviously this needs a bit of tidying up, I think we'll drill the hole for this to go in the top, and then we can sort of beautify everything and finish up. Oh, it's so cold out here. So which one do you think we should go for? I think they're pretty much of a muchness. I'm going to have to label one. Colour the bottom. Right. It's a very powdery wood. So let's have a little measure. We're gluing in anyway. Bum, 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 bum. Right, let's tidy up a wee bit. Right, listen. Right, let's have a look. Well, look at that, team. Bit of sanding sealer on that. Ugh. Oh, look at that. Oh, mate. Oh, the song I'm listening to now is Status Quo's classic, Whatever You Want, but in Italian opera. Quella che cerchi, quella che vedi. Right, nice bit of finishing paste. perky boy. Goodbye. We have our head. Let's move that out of the way. We'll line it up on here. So we have our head, our hat. Oh, we said that was our pom-pom. So this must be our nose. So what we need to do now is drill a hole in the hat to accommodate that, and then drill a hole in the face to accommodate the nose. So let's get me. Beautiful, there we go. That looks the part. Done it. Should we do a little mock-up? We need to give the beard a bit of a longer trim, but yeah. Ooh. So yeah, let's just do that. That should hopefully do the trick. I'm going to use some CA glue. I've got some activator as well, just in case. So yeah, let's get in the warm because it's cold. Okay, so we're on the home straight now. This doesn't mean that nothing can go wrong. So when I've made these previously, I've stuck myself to a lot of things. I'm actually quite pleased with how we've countersunk that. So yeah, I will continue to do the countersinking on the lathe. So what I think we need to do is let's deal with the hat and the pom-pom first. As I said, we've got some CA glue. This is some very thin stuff. It's like water. Bit of activator if we need it, but it eliminates drying times apparently. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, let's bring you down. You don't need to look at me while we do this. So we're going to definitely move that beard out of the way. Remember, we colour coded it. That's the nose. So we're just going to pop a bit of that CA glue into that hole. Then what we'll do with this activator, we'll spray this end. Remember we penciled the end. Like so, and then that just squidges into there like that. Something is leaking out. Hopefully it's activator. Oh, gluing my fingers together. See what I mean? This is what I mean. So I may not use the activator for the rest of it because yeah, I may have almost just sent myself to A&E. There's some glue on my fingers, but that's a minor detail. So And that, ladies and gentlemen, everyone else, whoever is watching, lords and ladies, moms and mums and sperms and peeps. Again, not the prettiest, not the neatest, but we're just going to have a little play with this moustache and this beard to reveal our, yeah, Christmas gonk. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if you want to come and have a look, Darren. See what you think. But I made this.
Oh, he's got a white beard. I've not seen one with a white beard before. He's very cute. I do like him.
Oh, you're in shot. But
yeah, I did make sure.
Just checking.
Got a nice red hat as well.
Yeah. It's got a bit of glue on it as well, but
that's fine.
But
What's he made of?
Paduk and banister.
I knew I was going to regret asking that.
Well, at least I just didn't say wood. So, yeah, it's another Wood Turning Wednesday, I think we're calling it. So, yeah, I'll
yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Well done.
We'll take a nice picture because the lighting in here isn't really sort of the best. So yeah, we'll take a nice little picture and stick it on at the end. Again, his beard needs a bit of work, but
yeah, we can always send him to the hairdresser.
Don't look at him too closely. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. It's something different. Hopefully this video isn't hours and hours long. Hopefully my singing didn't distress you too much.
It'll take hours and hours to edit, I know that.
It'll take hours and hours to get this glue off as well. So yeah, there is a trick somewhere, isn't there? So, is it rubbing alcohol?
Yeah.
Don't think we've got any, but that's fine. We've got a lot of alcohol anyway. So I'll just give that a go. So yeah, if you like that, great.
I like it.
Oh, he's very cute, isn't he? Yeah, I think I quite like the red hat. The red wood is, yeah. So yeah, it's all a learning adventure. So yeah, if you like that, great. If you didn't, I'm sorry, but you know, I just don't have the capacity to eat every day. To the capacity we would do in a video. So I just thought we would do something different. And so I thought I'd show you my little hidden talent or not talent, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm waffling. And I'm going to go and try and get this glue off my hands. So yeah, you got anything to say, Brenda? No. So yeah. Bye, love you, bye.